Hey guys, welcome to the very first video of Java tutorial without bullshit, and in this video I'll show you how to download a bullshit which is called JDK, Java Development Kit, which is basically the thing that lets us writing Java programs and run them, and also we will download the IDE, so the application where we're going to actually write our programs and create magic. So I don't want to spend much time to that shit because it's pretty simple to do that. So you just have to open up your browser and then here you type in JDK download, and here you choose the first link. And that will bring you to the oracle.com website, and here you have two versions. It doesn't matter which one to download. I'll choose this one. First of all, you have to accept this license agreement, and then you choose the link which fits your operating system. For example, if you're in a 64-bit Windows operating system, you just choose this one, or if you're in a 32-bit operating system, you choose Windows x86. So I'll choose x64, and the download starts. And by the way, guys, in case someone doesn't know how to check the operating system that you're running on, go ahead and open the control panel and then system. And here under the system type, you can see 64-bit operating system, x64 based processor. And yeah, that's it. And so after the download is finished, you open this file. And now this window will open. And then you click on next. Next, here you normally don't want to change anything. Next. And then the installation process starts. So after that first part of the installation process is finished, you will see this window where you have to choose the destination folder. I won't change anything. Next. And now the installation of Java starts. And that's it, guys. After the installation of Java finishes, this window will come and you just click on close, and that's it. And now, guys, to the IDE. The IDE that we're going to use in this tutorial is Intellij IDEA. For those who prefer Eclipse more, I feel sorry for you, and I don't really get how you can use the shitty application. But anyways, you have to type again in the browser Intellij IDEA download. And here you click on the first link. And here you have two versions, Ultimate and Community. Ultimate is basically not free, but you can get a free trial if you're a student. You have to upload your student ID card or any document which proves that you're a student, and then you can get a free trial of Ultimate version for 1 year. But for those who are not students and don't want to pay for the Ultimate version, just go ahead and click this button over here to download the Community version. So after the download is finished, just go ahead and click this file over here. Run, and then you click on next, and here you choose the destination where you want to place the application, and then you click on next again, and here you choose the launcher for the desktop, which again depends on the operating system that you're running on. And over here I would suggest you to choose all of these association, and then again click on next and click on install, and the installation will begin. And after the installation is finished, you just open the application and start doing miracle things. And that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching it, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.